Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a Sway Colombian. Obviously, knowing how to do a sway already would be really helpful. Knowing how to do a standard Colombian, like a first move Colombian, would be really helpful too. So links to those in the description below. So it's nice and easy and quick for you to find those if you want to go back and look at them. And we will jump straight in. Obviously, we're in a hall today, so we've got a bit more space. And these are the kind of moves that you need a bit of space for. How long you want to do the Colombian is up to you. We're going to keep it relatively short to make sure we don't run out of frame. So we go like this. Go 7 and 8. R1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3. So let's break it down. We'll do it from the same side initially. So it starts like a standard sway. We are right to right, we go back, we wrap the lady into the sway, we pick up the spare hand. We're going to need that today. Lots of different options on the grip. I actually quite like having the thumb underneath and my fingers over the top for this one, because it makes it easy for me to go onto the other hip part way through. So we're going to sway back and we're going to go back on the right. So we're all back on the right, left foot forwards, and then we're going to jump straight into our Colombian. So our first step is effectively the crossing in front. So there's our right foot. The next step takes us with the hands off the lady. We're both going to be looking to the right of the position we were in initially. We're going to carry on turning to the right, and the left hand comes in onto the hip and the right comes across in front of the guy. And we now effectively go behind with the right. Then we go square in front, so the right hand is on, square, left hand goes on, behind. We're going to do one more in front, square, in front, and then as we send the lady out, we're going to switch from the right hand to the left hand, return the lady, and we're done. You could have ended in just the right hand with the standard sway ending. It would have worked either way. So if we think about that from a timing point of view, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3. So let's try it together. Nice and slow. Sway Colombian. We go 5, 6, a sway Colombian. It's a back, wrap, back on the right, in front and behind, in front and behind, in front. Switch hands, return, and back. And that is that. I hope you find that one useful, fun out on the dance floor. It's quite a nice Colombian variation. You don't see it very often, but it works really, really well. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move. Subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that. And the music recommendation that comes up on the end, will come up in the last few windows, is just something that's going to be good to do this to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.